Hi everybody, it's Miss Blake, and this is a syllabus video. So please open up your syllabus. You either got it from the welcome announcement that I sent out, it was an attachment, or you can go to Files under Canvas and find it there. Okay, so we've opened syllabus, and here is the first page. As you can see on the first page, you can find my email address, lblake@pasadena.edu. So that's how you can contact me. You'll also see the course objectives and the student learning outcomes. All right. So by the end of the semester, you will learn how to write a multi-paragraph argumentative essay. You'll learn how to research. You'll learn how to use outside research to support your argument. You'll learn how to correctly format an MLA paper, and I'll help you with all of that. At the bottom of the first page, you will see the required text and materials. Now there are 2 textbooks that you must get for this class. The first one is The Writer's Presence, right here. Right? It looks like, not that. That's what it looks like. All right. Now this is the 9th edition. There's also an 8th edition which you can use. It doesn't have all of the readings that we will be reading over the semester, but that's up to you if you want to save a little bit of money. You can also get the e-textbook. I'm fine with that. Okay. And the second book that you are required to get is The Curious Incident of the Dog in the Nighttime by Mark Haddon. Right. This is the edition I will use. So when I refer to a page number, it's in this book. But we'll work it out if you get a different edition. And you can always get the audiobook if you'd like. Okay? That's fine with me. All right. So back to the syllabus. On the second page is the Writing Center information. Now this is very important. Go there and get help. I mean, get help from me, get help from your peers, but then also get help from the Writing Center. That's what they're there for. They're getting paid to help you. I wish I went to the Writing Center more as an English student. I thought that because I went in as an English major, that I should know how to write. No. All right. Don't be afraid. You don't look stupid if you go get help. You look strong. You are strong. You're getting help. You know. And that's fantastic. All right? So go get help. They're located on the main campus in Building C, room 341. And here's their phone number. All right? You can make an appointment. And I suggest making an appointment, not just walking in. You can do a walk-in, but I suggest making an appointment so you're sure to get help. All right? You can also see how the course is broken down, or grades. Now, here you go. The majority of your final course grade is based on your essays. And we're going to be writing 5 essays. You can see them right here. Okay. Don't get upset or worried. We're going to be working up to it. We're going to be making multiple drafts and peer edits. And you'll be ready for it. Okay. And you can see the important dates listed right underneath. Now, I don't want any of you to drop the class. I want to keep all of you, but you have to do what's best for you. You have to consider what we do in this class, your projects for your other classes, your home life, friends, your significant other, if you have a job, and you have to do what's best for you, what you can handle successfully in a semester, okay? I hope you come talk to me before you drop the class. But again, this is your decision. It's up to you. And at the very bottom of the second page, you will see the policy on academic integrity. This is no plagiarism, no cheating. If I wanted to know what other people were thinking and what they said about a certain topic, I'd look it up. I want to know what you have to say. I'm interested to learn from you. So please use your words. And when you're writing an essay, if you feel overwhelmed or you're stuck, that's when you come see me. That's the whole point of me. All right? So email me, come see me. We can make an appointment, meet up on campus. We will work it out. Okay. On the third page, you'll see the students' do's and don'ts. Be prepared. Now, as this is an online class, it is a little different, but you still have to be prepared for the discussions, for the quizzes, which means you have to do the readings first. Okay? Attendance is mandatory. Now again, since this is an online class, it's a little bit different. Attendance here is calculated based on how many times you log in a week, how long you log on, and what you upload during your logins. Now, I can see how many times you upload, and I can see how long you upload for. So, how you log in. It's not just, hey, I log in, and then you walk away. I can see what you do, okay? So, you need to participate. You need to be active multiple times a week in Canvas for our class. Now, we are all in college, we are all adults, and we want to hear from everybody. We want to learn from people. So, we will be hearing different points of view. Now, we might not agree with them. That's fine. I hope we don't agree with them. That's where discussion and debate gets in, and that's where it gets really interesting. You don't have to change what you believe. I'm not trying to do that, and the other students in this class aren't trying to do that. But one point is to challenge you, to show you that there are different ways to think about a topic, right? So it's just being open-minded and respecting other people. Okay. One trigger warning is, this is a college class. You're an adult. So when we get to certain topics, I expect you to be adult-like. We will be talking about people's sexuality, right? So if we use the terms vagina or penis, I don't expect you to go, hee hee, she said penis. No, I expect you to handle it like an adult, okay? Also, another trigger warning is that we will be reading topics that are sensitive, right? I don't want these to be painful or anxiety-inducing for you, but if for some reason a reading does trigger some sort of emotional upset, I want you to take care of yourself. If that means stepping away and, taking a breather from reading or discussing, that's fine. Email me so I know what's up, so I know how I can help you, right? I want you to take care of yourself. Since this is an online class, handing in work on time is so very important. It's part of your grade. Not just your essay grade or in-class writing activity grade, but also your participation and attendance grade. Right, so very important. You want to hand in everything on time. If it is late, it will, a full letter grade will be taken off for every day it's late. And it's every day. It's not every class period because this is an online class. Alright, so turn it on time. Email me if you have any questions or concerns. That's what I'm here for. Alright, that's teacher. Alright. DSPS. If you are a client of DSPS, I need to have that signed paper from them telling me what kind of aid you need. I want to help you. But legally, I cannot until I have that signed piece of paper. Alright? If you don't know if you should be a member of DSPS, call them, make an appointment. They have many tests to see if and what kind of help you need. Okay? Now, for the syllabus schedule, you will see that the rest of our syllabus is what we're going to do. This is to give you a heads up about what we're going to do every week, when essays are due, and all of that. Now, if I think that we need to spend more time on a topic or an essay, I will be changing due dates, reading assignments, all of that. That's why attendance is so important. You will get the real-time homework. Okay. So, that's the syllabus. Please watch the next video on Canvas and the important tabs for our class and what to look for. All right. Have a great day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.